It's a 2018 Ford F-150. Job after job, this truck is always ready for the next project. It comes with great features you love: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, engine auto stop start feature, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, auto dimming rearview mirror, and EcoBoost engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.